Hello viewer, welcome to my YouTube channel Software Testing. Today I will discuss about how to invoke Chrome browser in Selenium WebDriver. As you know, Selenium is the most popular and powerful tool for cross-browser testing. So as part of this testing, I'll show you how to invoke Chrome browser in Selenium WebDriver. So let's go to the computer screen. I'll show you step-by-step process how to do that. Hello viewer, now we are at computer screen. In this tutorial, I will show you how to invoke Chrome browser in Selenium. In order to do that, we need Chrome driver in your system, and also we'll do Selenium test script using TestNG. So already we downloaded Chrome driver. It is in your in our system. It is Chrome driver. We'll use that. This is Chrome driver path. So we'll use that path for invoking Chrome driver. So let's open Eclipse, then create new project, new Java project, then name Selenium Automation. Selenium Automation, then click Finish. Don't create this. Then expand your Selenium Automation, go to source folder, right click, new, go other, we'll do the TestNG class. We'll create TestNG class, select TestNG, then click next. We'll take before method and after method. So source folder, this is the source folder, package name com.qa. I'm putting Chrome Invoke. Then click Finish. You see it is created. If you expand source folder, com.qa package created, thereafter Chrome Invoke class is created. There is a lot of red mark over here. If you do any annotation at TestNG library, that TestNG error will be gone. So let's organize your test. So put before method. It will, when you will run this TestNG script, before method will execute first, then test will execute, then after method will execute. So in order to do that, let me put before method first. Just organize purpose. You can do as way it is. Okay, this is we'll do our test over here. So before method, test, and after method. TestNG is done. Now we have to add Selenium over here. Right click on the project level, right click, properties, then you have to go to the Java build path, you have to go libraries, then you have to select class path, add external jar, then you will go to the Selenium. Already we downloaded Selenium Java, add all the jar from here, select and open, and also we have more jar, select class path, add external jar. Within the library folder we have more jar and Selenium, select all, click open, all jar is added, click apply, then apply and close. So our everything is added. Now it is ready for writing your code. So we'll do the WebDriver. WebDriver driver equal to null. We are initializing WebDriver. Go WebDriver, mouse over, you see the option import WebDriver, your red mark will be gone. So let's come to the before method. First we have to do system dot set property key value pair here will be WebDriver dot Chrome dot driver. Here you need to set your path over here. I believe we copied the path. No, let me copy the path from here. Copy. Then we need the Chrome driver file name. Copy that one and paste it over here. Okay. So we set the driver property over here. Then we have to do driver equal to new Chrome driver. So Chrome driver is red mark. Just mouse over here, import Chrome driver. It is imported. You see it is imported Chrome driver and your red error is gone. And then you have to do driver dot manage dot put window dot maximize. Then you can put driver dot get, you can put URL over here. Let me bring URL from browser, google.com, copy the URL from here and paste it here. So this is our invoking code for Selenium, invoking Google Chrome code for Selenium over here. Now test method, we are not doing testing anything, just we will put our console print message system out.println, just only to see our test method executed or not. Test executed. Then this is test method is done. Then we'll do the after method driver dot close. It will, once it will open the browser and navigate to the Google, then test method execution, then it will close the browser. This is the purpose for this script. Basically purpose of this script, invoking Chrome browser. I'm not going to the detailed test. This is simple code. First you have to system.set property your Chrome driver where is located, then driver Chrome driver initiation, then maximize the driver, then you will navigate the Google homepage using Chrome browser. So save it, right click and run as TestNG test. Chrome browser open, navigated Google homepage and close. That means your script is working totally fine. If you see the your test executed, it is from test method, it is executed, browser open, then also close the browser. This means it is pass. It is your
test result. Also you can do one more thing, system out, don't copy this one and put it method Chrome browser invoked with Google home page. Okay, so you can do that too. Also, after closing your browser, you can say, give a message, Chrome browser closed. Save it. Execute it. You see this, all the message is printed. Chrome browser invoked with Google homepage, test executed, Chrome browser closed. That means our test has been passed. Here is test is passed. So that's all about for today's tutorial for invoking Chrome browser.
I believe this video will be very helpful for themselves, those who are new in Selenium automation testing. If you think this is helpful, please like my video, subscribe my channel and share it to others. Also, if you have any question, please make a comment. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video.